Hey everybody, Magic Matt here from Blinky.com, and I'm really happy right now. I feel great, and I'm loving life. I like to keep my spirit up. I like to have fun. I like to do fun stuff. I like to play games. I play chess, and as you know, I play yo-yo. This is my Skyva by Magic Yo-Yo, and I've been having a lot of fun doing lots of fun stuff, having fun with my kids, playing games, going for walks, doing fun stuff. I'm into it. I like living life in a fun way. And of course, I'm a hard worker too. I work hard when I need to, but when I have the chance, I like to have fun. I really like poetry. I really like palindromes. For example, I wrote a couple palindromes. They're kind of silly, but like C flat, nerve fit, stiff, rental fees. Do you know what a palindrome is? It means it's the same forwards as it is backwards. So write that down. C flat, nerve fit, stiff, rental fees. And that's one good one. Another palindrome that I wrote is a really weird one. It's long. I mean, believe it or not, I wrote it and it goes forwards and backwards exactly the same. And it's a really weird one. It goes like this. Tons. It is a ton, sir. Even a bit avid, dad. Diva data never is not as it is not. So I'll put that on the screen for you. I'll put these on the screen for you. Another one of my palindromes that I wrote is, well, there's a Toyota. That's probably other people have thought of that, a Toyota. Radar is a palindrome. Oh, another palindrome that I wrote that I like a lot, it's probably one of my favorite ones, it goes, so I'd add on a mirror rim and odd adios. And I'll put these all on the screen for you to see. It's pretty cool, palindromes. But anyway, you're here for the yo-yo, I hope, and I'm gonna do a trick talking about keeping our spirits up. This trick is called Spirit Bomb, and I'm about to drop a spirit bomb on you to bomb your spirits high so you can have fun like me, because I love having fun. So check it out. This is Spirit Bomb. It's a wrist mount trick, so the string's gonna wrap around my wrist at one point. It's pretty cool. There we go. Spirit Bomb. Hit me up, holla, subscribe, like, comment. We love you. Thanks for watching. Magic Matt, Blinky.com. We'll see you next time.